Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of music with a product that's making waves for all the right reasons. Introducing the best classical guitar for small hands available in the market, the Ashthorpe 38-inch Beginner Acoustic Guitar Package in Sunburst. If you're just starting out on your musical journey or happen to have smaller hands, this guitar is tailor-made for you. Let's unpack why the Ashthorpe package is a must-have for aspiring guitarists. First off, let's talk about what's included. This comprehensive starter kit comes with everything you need to kickstart your musical endeavors. From the guitar itself to essential accessories like a nylon bag, shoulder strap, digital tuner, pitch pipe, an extra set of strings, and even 3 picks in assorted colors, it's all here. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of why this guitar stands out. Crafted with top-quality tone woods including basswood for the top, back, and sides, this guitar delivers versatility and warmth in its sound. Whether you're strumming softly or picking with precision, the Ashthorpe guitar remains responsive and maintains its tonal integrity. With 18 smooth frets and 6 steel strings, this guitar is designed for ease of playability. The comfortable neck and lightweight body make it ideal for learners of all ages, especially those with smaller hands. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of this guitar is its sound. Perfect for musicians in the making, it boasts an impressive tone, bright sound, and standout projection. It's a guitar that's just waiting to be heard. And let's not forget about the extras. The included digital tuner ensures your guitar stays perfectly in tune, while the pitch pipe serves as a handy backup. Plus, with an extra set of strings and 3 picks, you'll always be prepared for those impromptu jam sessions. So there you have it, folks, the Ashthorpe 38-inch Beginner Acoustic Guitar Package in Sunburst. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned player with smaller hands, this guitar is sure to strike the right chord. Until next time, keep on strumming. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. See you in the next video.